Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's the 10th of February, 2023. Let's break down Tesla because it is breaking out in a price. Let me zoom in on the chart. You guys can tell already that I was anticipating the price in Tesla to go up anyway, so I'm not surprised. We were already here to capitalize off of the price move in Tesla. Now, I did the video on the 27th of January. You guys can go back and see the video is still there as proof that you can predict where prices are going to go. The next day, the same day, in fact, the market in Tesla hit our ultimate TP price of $180. That's around 11.88% profitability. Now, market topped out just yesterday in Tesla, all the way up there around $215. That equates to around 33% run up since this prediction was created. Powerful. Powerful. You don't need anything else outside of price bars and volume to be profitable. All of my videos on my YouTube channel is proof. So don't let anyone come in and try to convince you that you cannot do this. They haven't seen my content. So let's go ahead and get rid of it. Let's talk about the market now in Tesla, because I know the news has been picking up the market move in Tesla. Everyone is getting antsy about it. They're saying that the price is going to continue to go higher. Don't follow what people say. Don't follow what people do. You only follow the market, the price. Okay. So now, first thing we're going to do is we're simply going to continue to follow the trend. Nothing has changed in that regard. Market action in Tesla is still trending. So this is the overall trend. Now, until we see price break that line to the downside, we will continually be on that thesis. We're going to continue to think that way. Okay. Now, one thing I want to tell you, though, is that even though trend is still up, the market in Tesla has broken away from the trend line. Like, look at this. We're also seeing a different trend, a steeper slope. This is something that we don't like, because the steeper the slope, the more likely that the market is becoming overheated or overextended, and it's going to pull back to a place of average. The hype is coming into the market in Tesla is what this chart is telling us. People, this is showing you that people do not want to miss out on the move. Now, we will hit a pause eventually in Tesla. Is it at 220? 230? Let's talk about it. First thing we're going to do is we're going to look at the market on a weekly chart. Okay. So again, you guys can see how strong the price started in Tesla the week of the 23rd of January. Very big spread. Sellers are still coming into the market. You guys can see how small the spread bars are becoming. That's because the market is running across some rugged terrain, meaning more and more sellers are coming in, taking profit, or those who's been sitting around those levels are now finally at least have the opportunity to break even. It means we're running out of runway. Okay, so that's the weekly chart. 2 weeks. Now, from a 2-week perspective, in the next 8 hours and 48 minutes, if the market in Tesla closes up here, we're still bullish. We're still bullish now, but in the next 8 hours and 48 minutes, this price bar is not going to look the same. If the market closes all the way down here to like 180, we're going to be massively weak. So right now, the 2 weeks looks good. The 3-weekly chart in Tesla looks good as well. For us to continue to see the market move higher, my only concern is how high, because 220 looks to be an area of resistance, 230, and then 240. Okay, 5 weeks looks decent as well. Now, let's not get complacent in our understanding that the market in Tesla is strong right now. We really need to focus in on how low price can go, or excuse me, how high price can go. Okay, we have to be careful. So right now, The idea is for Tesla to continue to go up. Okay, that's what I'm seeing on the charts, especially on a weekly time frame. But you got to give me the 8 hours today to see how the 2 weekly chart looks, even the 3 weeks. If we look bullish, let me go back to it and show you all. If we look the same way, price closes up here at the high of the bar, then definitely I'm looking for price to go up. Same thing on the 3 weeks. Okay, that's what I want to see. If I don't see that, then price in Tesla is geared to go lower. Okay, so yeah, there's a lot of hype into the market in Tesla. We saw a massive run up. Let's give the market opportunity to come back down. It's overextended. We already know that. So how low do you think price is going to go before more buying come in? Tesla, well, 190 to 180. Okay, that's the area. Well, I'll take it down to 170 as well too. So that's the area that I don't want to see the market price fall below. All right, so I said 170 is the support area that I want to see the market in Tesla hold. Okay, 170. That means that even when we do see price go down, which we may even see today, we have a cushion. We're saying that our analysis will have to change if price in Tesla breaks 170. We will have to come in and say, all right, cool. Buyers obviously are not in the market. They don't want to continue buying the stock. So price has a greater probability of going down. See, this is a probable game. And as of right now, from the chart's perspective, the higher probabilities on the buyers that they're going to continue to move the market up, especially on 2 weeks and 3 weeks. So this price prediction we may have to give it 2 to 3 weeks to let it play out. Okay. So we got 170 as our support price. And let's go ahead and try to see if we can drop some targets down. The first one is at 220, which is 6.5%. Okay, that's our first price target, around 220. So let me show it to you. That gives us 6%, $220, $219.81. My next one is going to be here, around 234. That is 12.97%, $234. And then the third one, I want 240. That is 15.68% move to the upside in Tesla, $239.65. Okay, so that's where I'm at. Now this, I'm giving the market opportunity to actually continue to play this out because I do suspect price is going to come down. Now I expect some weakness to try to push down the market value in Tesla, but that's why I'm trying to tell you, as long as price holds 170, the idea is that the market in Tesla is going to continue to go up. Okay, so I'm looking for price and this need to go down, right? Especially if we come in and hold the trend, then I know that our outlook is going to continue to go higher. So I'm done. Give me your thoughts, everyone. Let me know, do you think Tesla is still a buy? If it is, then go ahead and drop your price targets. Or do you think the price is going to crash? Even if that's the case, tell us where you think price is going to go. Make sure you maintain a profitability, and as always, trade different.